Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 5 important laws that every woman should know. So before starting the video, I would like to say that as usual, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And yeah, without any further delay, let's begin. So number 1, every woman has got the right टू फाइल अ कंप्लेन वर्चुअली. अगर कोई भी वुमेन उस स्टेज पे ना हो कि वो फिजिकली जाके कंप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं पुलिस स्टेशन में, तो उन लोगों को वैसा राइट दिया गया है कि वो थ्रू ईमेल हो सकता है या तो थ्रू राइटिंग लाइक एन कंप्लेन लेटर एंड पोस्टिंग इट थ्रू पोस्टल एड्रेस वो कंप्लेन लॉन्च कर सकता है. और उसके बाद SHO जो है पुलिस स्टेशन उससे उधर से भेजेगा एक पुलिस कांस्टेबल और अपना जो कंप्लेन है, जो लेडी का जो कंप्लेन होगा वो कंप्लेन वो लोग लिख के लेके जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ अ प्रोसेस वेयर दे विल कम एंड टेक दी कंप्लेन राइट द कंप्लेन एंड start the procedure in that thereafter. So this is a right that has been given to every woman who are not in a physical state to go and file a complaint physically. So this is a very important right and that has been provided to every woman of this country, and therefore I think that every woman should be aware about this right. Number 2, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 to ensure women's safety at workplace. This act seeks to protect them from sexual harassment at their place of work. This act gives a female the right to file a complaint against any kind of sexual harassment at her place of work. So ये जो लॉ आया उसके बाद ऐसा हुआ कि जो 2013 के बाद आया, और 2013 के पहले इंडिया में वैसा लॉ मतलब था ही नहीं कि जो वर्क प्लेस है उस पर सेक्शुअल हैरेसमेंट जब होता है, every woman faces that and there are so many cases. So this right has been given to women that if anyone faces this kind of harassment, then they can go and file a complaint against such kind of harassment. ये right आया 2013 के बाद. उस केस से जो केस बहुत ही फेमस है विशाखा केस करके, सो उस पर बहुत सारा गाइडलाइंस निकाला गया और कोर्ट ने दिया. सो उसी वो केस मैंने पढ़ा था एक बुक पे जो मैं अभी रिकमेंड करना चाहती हूँ इसी बीच में वीडियो के बीच में. ये है जजमेंट्स दैट चेंज इंडिया. एंड इसी बुक में मुझे एक ऐसा पैराग्राफ मिला, एक ऐसा रिपोर्ट मिला जो मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाहती हूँ इस वक्त. तो वो उस तरीके का है कि A recent survey by the Center for Transforming India suggests that nearly 88% of the female workforce in information technology as well as business knowledge process outsourcing companies have reported facing some form of workplace sexual harassment. What is worrying is that 47% of the employees did not know where to report this harassment, 91% did not report for fear of being victimized, and 77% said that they were not sensitized to sexual harassment policies as part of their hiring process. It's so sad that so many cases that just out of fear people don't come out and say, just out of fear, and the society is always loves playing the card of blaming the victim. So it's so sad, and it's very sad. So okay, let's move to the next right. 3, a woman has the right to zero affair. So अब ये zero affair क्या है? Generally क्या होता है, आप किसी भी प्लेस पे जाके कंप्लेन नहीं फाइल कर सकते, affair नहीं फाइल कर सकते, because you have to this is a rule that where you belong, आप जहाँ पे आप रिसाइड करते हैं उसी टेरिटरी के अंदर जो पुलिस स्टेशन है उसी पे आपको जाके एफआईआर फाइल करना पड़ेगा. आप किसी और प्लेस पे नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन ये राइट दिया गया है टू एवरी वुमेन दैट आप कहीं भी प्लेस पे आप जहाँ भी हो, मतलब you can go and just file affair, and that police station will transfer that case to the place where you reside or you belong, or where that incident has happened. That police station will refer that case to that police station. So this right has been given to a woman because you see ऐसा होता है कभी कभी कहीं पे भी कुछ भी इंसिडेंट हो सकता है एक वुमेन के साथ, और वो उस टाइम पे उस जगह से आके एकदम से अपने रेसिडेंस एरिया पे आके पुलिस स्टेशन में जाके गिविंग द एफआईआर एंड ऑल मे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो इन सच केसेस, एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट इन सच केसेस, वुमेन हैज़ बिन गिवन इन एवरी केसेस दैट आप लोग जहाँ पे भी हो आप लोग जाके दे सकते हो, बिकॉज देयर आर सम टाइम like you may leave in a PZ, you may leave somewhere else where something might happen to you and you have to just go and give a complaint. So this zero FIR has been given, this zero FIR right has been given to every woman. So right number 4. So right number 4 says that if a woman has been sexually harassed or assaulted, then that woman has a right to keep her name in the court anonymously. Like हम लोगों ने देखा होगा कि बहुत ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा के, जैसे कि रिसेंटली आई टॉक्ट अबाउट विशाखा केस. सो जो विक्टिम था उसका नाम विशाखा नहीं था लेकिन विशाखा रखा गया. जो निर्भया केस था उसमें भी द विक्टिम्स नेम वाज नॉट मेंशन एंड it was called as the Nirvaya case. So why it happened? It happened because that woman has the right to protect her privacy, has the right to protect her self-respect. So ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है लाइफ में. It's not a big, it's a big thing of course, but then that woman has got that right to keep her identity anonymous. And the society always has that card of playing the card of blaming the victim. So this right has been given, therefore I think, I don't know, personally I feel like that. So this is a important right that every woman should know. So number 5, which is very important, and I always think that this thing should be discussed openly and this thing should be made, it should be, everyone should be aware about all this kind of thing actually. So ऐसा होता है कभी कभी कि यू मे बी आपको डरा सकते हैं कोई कि ऐसा होता है. मैंने बहुत बार सुना है, और आई हैव लाइक had a lot of cases and news about all this kind of thing, that अगर कोई ऐसा आपका you had a relationship with someone and then after breaking up that guy will say you that you don't do this, you do not break up with me, if you do this I will do this, I will just viral your photos and all, I'll send it to this person, that person, like आपको डरा सकते हैं. ऐसा होता है. This is not very rare thing or very uncommon. It's very common. Like most of the nonsense kind of people do this, and because most of the people are very stupid and they don't know what are the consequences of this, आपको स्टॉक कर सकता है. ऐसा होता है लड़कियों के साथ कि आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो तो आपको स्टॉकिंग करेगा क्योंकि you had not respond to that person or have not acted the way that person want to act. So ऐसा हो सकता है, स्टॉक कर सकता है, आपको हैरेस कर सकता है in that way. So the IPC, Indian Penal Code of India, has provided certain sections that protects the protect women from those kind of harassment. So let's talk about that. So from section 354 to 355, there are 354A, B, all this kind of sections are there until 355. This sections provides that right to the women, safeguard to the women. अगर आपको कोई स्टॉक कर रहा है, पीछे जा रहा है, तो वो होगा 354D, जिस पे कोर्ट आपको जो भी ऐसा कर रहा है उसको पनिश करेगा. जो भी आपको असॉल्ट कर रहा है सेक्सुअली या तो मेंटली, उसको पनिश करेगा. तो ऐसा है, ऐसा सेक्शंस, बहुत सारे सेक्शंस दिया हुआ है आईपीसी में. यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग डार्लिंग. यू जस्ट नीड टू गो एंड file a complaint and then see the consequences. So, and I also want to say to the man watching this video, do not do this kind of thing ever, never in your life, to just make someone do the act you want them to do. और ऐसा कभी सोचना भी मत कि वैसा कुछ करने से आपको बहुत कुछ लाभ होगा. इनफैक्ट you may face a very like difficult consequences. And these things are not fair actually. You cannot just go and stalk a person. You cannot go and आप डरा नहीं सकते हो कि मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा वैसा कर दूंगा. You cannot use any word assaulting women's modesty. So these are discussed in these sections of IPC. अगर आपको in detail में देखना है इन सब sections के बारे में, you can Google it out. You can just put it that from section 354 to 355 of IPC, what are the sections and what are the provisions. So ऐसा आप डाल सकते हो और गूगल आपको पूरा दिखाएगा. आपको पूरा जो पनिशमेंट है, कैसा पनिशमेंट मिल सकता है अगर आपने कुछ ऐसा किया, तो वो सब गूगल दिखाएगा. So I'm just saying you people that if you are facing certain kind of harassment and all, do not tolerate. Please go and seek help from your elders, and do not just sit down and do not be a victim. You are not supposed to be a victim. Okay, everyone has the right to get justice, and no one deserves like that kind of treatment. So these are the rights that I wanted to discuss with you people. अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दीजिए वीडियो और शेयर कर दीजिए with all your friends who are female friends, especially also to all the men. Share with your sisters, share with your all the female community, and I believe that only awareness will reduce this kind of crime in our society. So this much for today. Bye bye and have a great day ahead.